terms of comfort and just sweatiness and being hot in the hair systems, for me and from many wearers experience, it's the lace that is the most breathable and most comfortable during those periods. So this one I don't really feel on my head, it's just the weight of the hairs itself. Like this whole system is 150 grams. So you can imagine, take a chocolate of 100 grams, it's like 1.5 chocolates. You can imagine for the whole piece, this is so like little, and you don't really feel it because it's just a mesh that it's so thin that you are even careful to not to rip it. It's so thin, it's like your pantyhose, it's just thin. It depends how much hair do you have. Is it long, is it dense, how much of the hair do you order? So if you had shorter hair and medium or lower density, it will be like below 100 grams, which is nothing. Your own hair probably was the same. And because that is a mesh there at the very base, your skin is perspiring through it, so your head can release the heat from your body and it just goes away, so it doesn't really stay under and it doesn't affect the bond as much as some other caps. Also, when you wash the whole system, the water just goes in and it washes out the dirt and bacteria and everything. So it's only the area that you put the tapes on, like I put on the perimeter, and just one tab here. It's only those areas that you are not really getting under when you're washing, but that's a really minimal area. That's why I love lace so much. It's maybe for more experienced users and those who have more patience because it is more delicate, but once you get into lace, you are probably not wanting to go back. If you want to know more about the whole bonding, I do have a course that I lead you from A to Z, so you are in good hands because I've been doing this for like a decade and I have really simplified and systemized it in the most logical sense to make it as easy, because we don't want complicated things with this.